The 8th hole at Troon is actually one of my favorite golf holes in golf for a lot of reasons. One, it's very, very short, measuring only 123 yards. It's the shortest hole in the Open Championship Rota. The hole was originally named Ailsa, and that's for the rocky island that sets off the coast. And of course, with my background in curling, Ailsa Craig is a very famous place, in that most curling stones come off of this rocky crag emerging from the sea. But the hole is really more famously known as the postage stamp, and Willie Park Jr. coined that, saying to Golf Illustrated, in Golf Illustrated, that it basically was a pitching surface skimmed down to the size of a postage stamp. And the green itself is really what was where the golf architecture is. It is it's a narrow, small surface, but in particular it's narrow. It necks down to only 9 yards wide in its most narrowest part. It's surrounded by bunkers, one in the front, 2 on both the left and the right. The left side also has a large sand hill or dune, which creates some challenges of its own, because the wind is actually coming off of the Clyde of Firth, and the wind itself becomes a big factor in how you play the hole. So given the size of the green, a high shot has a better chance of holding the green, but it becomes more wind affected. But the hill, the sand hill, actually can play havoc with the perception of what the wind's actually doing, because the flagstick itself will sometimes appear to be motionless when in actuality there's a fair amount of wind. It's all about accuracy. You have to hit the surface to have a chance at a par. In 2004, it had a scoring average of 3.09 or 3.1. So even at 123 yards, playing over par. But things can get sideways quickly, and if you miss left or right, it's pretty easy all of a sudden to start feeling like you're playing ping pong with the balls going back and forth trying to hold this diminutive green. So guys will look to be happy to leave with a par, even though the hole only measures 123 yards.